Welcome to Compare Core, the place where your next smart purchase starts. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of food processors that barely chop an onion, jam up with dough, or sound like a jet engine? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that 2025 has brought some serious game changers to the kitchen appliance world? Today, we're diving into the top-rated food processors of the year. The ones that are quiet, crazy powerful, and actually worth your money. And no, we're not talking about overhyped junk. We've tested performance, durability, ease of use, and value. So before you waste a cent, watch this. Number 1, Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. Or in the UK, it's called the Sage the Kitchen Whiz 15 Pro. This thing is a powerhouse. With a 16-cup bowl, a full kit of blades and discs, including tools for julienne, French fries, even dough, it's built for serious kitchen work. It crushed beef, mixed dough like a pro, and sliced veggies in seconds during our tests. Yes, it's bulky. And yeah, it's the priciest model on our list. But if you've got the counter space and budget, it's worth it. One small catch: it only has one speed, so using the pulse button is key to getting the texture just right. But overall, simple to use, insanely powerful, and the storage box keeps all attachments tidy. This one's for the home chefs who want performance without compromise. Number 2, Cuisinart Easy Prep Pro FP8. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, full-size food processor that still packs a punch, this one deserves a spot on your counter. It's got an 8-cup capacity, 2 speeds plus pulse, and all the attachments are dishwasher safe. Total win for quick cleanups. It's also compact, so perfect for small kitchens. Now, it doesn't come with a whisk or dough blade, and we did notice a little movement on the counter during cake mixing. So hold it down when it's working. And yeah, a bit of food can get left unshredded. But honestly, it minced 500 grams of beef like a champ. And for one of the cheapest models we tested, that's pretty impressive. If you're not looking to break the bank, this might be your go-to pick. Number 3, Magimix 4200XL food processor. It's got a huge 14-cup 3-liter bowl and comes with a ton of attachments, from shredding and slicing discs to a dough blade and even a blender mix attachment. One thing I love? There's an extra small bowl for tiny portions. Performance-wise, it's excellent. Even heavy bread dough isn't a problem. But keep in mind, it's one speed only and pretty bulky, so storage might be tricky. Still, if you want something versatile and premium, this one's a solid choice. Number 4, KitchenAid Food Chopper KFC 0516. If you're short on space but still want serious chopping power, this one's for you. The KitchenAid Food Chopper may only have a 5-cup capacity, but don't let that fool you. This compact beast is surprisingly powerful. In my tests, it handled tough tasks like grinding beef and chopping nuts with ease. You get 2 speed settings and a handy whisk attachment for whipping cream or egg whites. But keep in mind, you have to hold the button down while it runs. No presets here. It stores neatly since everything fits inside the bowl. And while it's a bit more expensive than similar-sized models, the performance makes up for it. Perfect for small kitchens, quick meals, or anyone who doesn't need a full-size processor. Number 5, Ninja 3-in-1 food processor with Auto IQ. Looking to save space and still get maximum versatility? The Ninja 3-in-1 food processor with Auto IQ might just be your kitchen MVP. It's not just a food processor, it also functions as a full-size blender and a personal blender, all in one sleek setup. It features a generous 8-cup bowl, 3 speed settings plus pulse, and 5 Auto IQ presets that take the guesswork out of blending and processing. You also get a 72-ounce blending pitcher and a 24-ounce personal cup, perfect for smoothies on the go. The reversible slicing disc isn't included in the US model, and it doesn't offer as many attachments as high-end processors. But if you're after a multifunctional powerhouse that covers the basics and beyond, this is a solid pick. Just be ready to make room for all the parts. And there you have it, our top 5 food processors of 2025. Whether you're a home cook looking to save time or a meal prep pro wanting next-level performance, there's something here for everyone. Now it's your turn. Which one would you pick? Or do you already own one of these? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow. And if you want more honest, no-fluff comparisons just like this one, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching Compare Core, where we help you buy smarter, not harder. Until next time, stay sharp and choose smart.